Did you know Michelangelo painted his first masterpiece when he was only 12 or 13 years old? This is The Torment of Saint Anthony. It's one of only 4 surviving panel paintings by the Renaissance legend. He based it on a famous German engraving, but even as a kid, Michelangelo wasn't just copying. He wanted total realism. Legend has it, he actually went to the local fish market in Florence to study the color and texture of fish scales. Look at the contrast. While demons pull him in every direction, the saint's expression remains incredibly serene. He added a lush Italian landscape that wasn't in the original, turning a simple print into a scene of life and terror. Not a bad start for the guy who would eventually paint the Sistine Chapel. By the way, what were you doing at 12?